Alright guys, so this is after the beard's dried a little bit and I'm getting ready to use Tame the Wild's beard straightener. Let's see what happens. Alright guys, it's time to tame the beast. I got the straightener plugged in. Show you how easy it is to click it on. You just hold the button down. It'll start flashing. I'm going to turn it up to 390. This thing self-locks once it kicks on and starts heating up, so you can't click the buttons. Can't even shut it off on accident. Heats up super quick. Comes in this really nice, hard Tame the Wild case. Love it. With some tips. Very nice. Alright, this thing's already up to 340, 350 degrees, so we'll be straightening in no time. Alrighty, here we go. Brush to beard. Definitely got some nice warm feeling on my face, that's for sure. They say to go slow, but don't stop. Oh yeah. I can already tell the difference. Let's do this other side. Then we'll hit some underneath. It's definitely cutting some time off of my normal routine. Now it does say it has different settings for different, I'm guessing, lengths and coarseness of beard. I'm just trying 390 and it seems to be working pretty well. Definitely doing what it's supposed to. It's straight. This is with no products. Might throw in some oil after. I'd say within a minute or two. Oh, wow. Adds a super softness to the beard, that's for sure. Nice and straight all the way down. Well, guys, I have to say, out of all the beard products and gadgets that I've used so far, this is 110% my favorite. Their soap smells amazing. Like an orange walnut, I believe. Orange with crushed walnut. Nice and soft beard, silky smooth. I give it an A+. Go out and buy yourself some products from Tame the Wild. Check them out.